In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy slides on Google Slides. If you're building a presentation and want to reuse a layout, keep a consistent look, or test a variation without starting from scratch. Copying slides is the quickest way to speed things up. I'll walk you through 3 simple approaches, explain when each one makes the most sense, and share a few tips so you don't lose your place along the way. First up is the fastest option, duplicating a slide. Open your presentation in Google Slides and look at the panel on the left where your slides are listed as thumbnails. Click the slide you want to copy to make sure it's highlighted. Then right-click it and choose Duplicate Slide. Instantly, you'll see an identical copy appear directly beneath the original. This is perfect when you want to tweak text or images while preserving the exact formatting, layout, and animations of the original slide. Because the copy appears right under the source, it's easy to compare the two as you make edits. If you prefer shortcuts, there's an even quicker way that skips the menu entirely. Select the slide on the left panel, then use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Ctrl and D. On a Mac, press Command and D. You'll get the same result as the right-click method, a duplicate slide placed immediately after the one you selected. This is great when you're in a flow and want to create multiple copies in rapid succession without moving your mouse. Finally, use copy and paste when you want more control over where the new slide goes. Click the slide you want, press Ctrl-C to copy, click in the slide list where you want the new one to appear, and press Ctrl-V to paste. This is especially useful when you're reorganizing your deck, inserting a slide far from the original, or bringing a slide into another presentation. It keeps the content intact so you can move it exactly where it needs to be. A couple of quick reminders as you work. Make sure the slide you want is selected before using any shortcut. If you change your mind, you can undo instantly. And if you're copying between different decks, your slide will bring its content with it. How it looks may adjust to the destination's theme. To recap the logic, duplicate when you want a fast copy in the same place, use the D shortcut when speed is the priority, and choose copy and paste when you need flexibility in positioning or across presentations.